Hello and welcome to today's episode of Decoding PhD. In a previous episode, we discussed the coursework segment of PhD. In today's episode, we'll discuss the next few milestones. That is, first, the DAC formation, second, the proposal, and third, the ultimate thesis submission. So let's get started. The DAC or Dissertation Advisory Committee comprises of professors who guide and steer your PhD research. It typically comprises of 3 professors, one of which acts as a chair. The process of DAC formation starts well before the 3rd year. Take the opportunity during your coursework to interact with various faculties and understand their research interests, their working style, and go through their research profile on platforms such as Google Scholar. Choose and approach professors based on common interests, working style, and discuss their availability in the initial meeting. Once your DAC is in place, the next move is to map out your thesis, usually consisting of 3 chapters akin to 3 connected but separate research papers. These papers can spring from the term papers that you wrote as a part of your coursework. To decide on the research topic, immerse yourself in the relevant literature of your area and try to narrow it down. For example, you're working on disclosures. When reading the literature, try to narrow it down further, for example, to complexity of disclosures. Drill down further and arrive at a topic such as impact of board composition on complexity of disclosures. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the publication process and the categorization of journals. Most schools follow the categorization by ABDC or ABS, which divide the journals into A star, A, B, C, 4 star, 4, 3, 2, with A star and 4 star being the highest rated journals. Once your research topic is clear and your papers are in works, the next step is the proposal. This is an opportunity for you to present your work in front of your peers and faculty and gain some feedback and improvement points. Different institutions have varied requirements for proposal. It's usually a good idea to have 1 almost completed paper and 2 papers in progress at this stage. Following the successful proposal, the next step is thesis submission. After you have completed all the 3 chapters, you first submit the thesis to your DAC. Upon receiving their consent and approval, the thesis is sent to an external reviewer who's usually a professor with an expertise in your research area. The external reviewer may provide one of the following feedbacks: acceptance, rejection, acceptance with minor edits, or acceptance with major edits. Once the external reviewer gives the green light, the final hurdle is defending your thesis. This involves presenting the 3 essays and fielding questions from your peers and faculty. Successfully navigate this defense and you have proudly earned the coveted PhD title, a testament to your hard work, dedication, and scholarly accomplishments. With that, we'll end today's episode. Please do provide us feedback in the comments. If there is any topic you would like us to cover, please mention it in the comments section. Make sure to share this video with someone either pursuing PhD or planning to pursue PhD and who can benefit from the content shared here. Thank you, bye-bye, and all the best.